Hi friends, welcome to another video of Karan's World. Today I'm going to make a very special tea called dancing tea. To make dancing tea, you need 1 glass of water, 2 tablespoons of tea dust, 3 tablespoons of sugar and 2 glasses of milk. But you should always keep in mind that the ratio between water and milk is 1:2. So basically it is, if you use 1 glass of water, you should use 2 glasses of milk. Now let's boil the water. Now let's boil the milk, and remember, we are using the same glass. Now let's add sugar to the boiling water. Now let's add tea dust. Let's keep stirring the milk. Also keep an eye on the black tea level. So friends, our milk is now ready. Now let's froth the milk with a hand mixer. This is the consistency that we need. Let's sieve the black tea. Now let's make a layer on top of the black tea with our froth, and make sure do not mix it. Now let's take some milk from the bottom of our container and pour it gently into our glass. To make the tea dance like this, what you should do is to take the tea in your hand and tilt it gently on each side. After that, when you can see the tea dancing like this, you can slowly put it on the table and enjoy it dancing. Now we can mix it and have the tea. It is starting to look like normal tea. So friends, you should all try this dancing tea at home. It is worth a try. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know how you did in the comment section below. Bye!